Hi there. Welcome to a new English lesson. Today we are going to be looking at parts of the body in English. We're also going to learn how to use English expressions with parts of the body. If you're ready, let's begin. We're going to start with the head. Note that all of this area in brackets is the head. Okay? What's found on the head of a person? Let's look at it very closely. On your head, you have forehead, eyebrow, eye, nose, cheek, ear, mouth. On your mouth, you have lips. Then you have a chin, a neck, and hair. All of these parts are found on your head. Okay? Let's read again. Forehead, eyebrow, eye, nose, ear, cheek, hair, mouth, lips, chin, neck. Let's continue. Still on your head, in your mouth, you have teeth. Now let's look at other parts of the body. From your shoulder to the tip of your finger is your arm. Okay? On your arm, you have hand, two hands. Okay? You also have an elbow. Your elbow is around here. Okay? Even though this picture doesn't show clearly what your elbow looks like, but you have your elbow right on this spot here. Okay? And this here is your shoulder. All right? From your waist or your hip to the tip of your toe is your leg. All of this section is your leg. And on the leg, you have this part here is your thigh. This part here is your knee. And this part here, we're going to look at that in our next slide. So to recap, we have the knee. We just saw that, which makes part of your leg. All right. And you also have the foot right here. This whole part is the foot. Okay. This whole structure here, this whole part, this is your foot. And on your foot, you have your ankle, your heel, and your toe. Okay, so you have many toes. You don't only have one. So I give you an example of one toe here, but you actually have 5 toes on a normal person's foot. Okay, let's move on. Now let us look at some English expressions using parts of the body. To keep an eye on. Keep an eye on someone or something. What does it mean? It means to watch closely or to monitor. If you look at this picture, this little girl is playing in the park and her mother is here to keep an eye on her so that she does not get lost in the park. Okay? Keep an eye on someone or something. So in a sentence, you would say, the mother keeps an eye on her daughter. Okay, let's look at another one. To cost an arm and a leg. Cost an an arm on a leg. When something costs an arm and a leg, it just means that that thing is very expensive. For example, if you want to buy a Lamborghini, okay, a Lamborghini is a very expensive car. So you would say, this car costs an arm and a leg. It just means this car is very expensive. Great. That is the end of our lesson for today. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to like and subscribe and share with your friends and family. See you in our next lesson. Bye.